Hello, cats and kittens. It's me, Rhonda of Rhonda Said. I love to say things. I don't even think I've said that in my last couple of videos because it is after work. It's been a long day, but I was excited to come home to my Boxycharm Premium. So I'm very excited about that. Please like, comment, subscribe, and give me a little love down below. I mean, ringing the bell. Don't get it twisted. It's late, but it's not that late. Anyway, I do not remember what I chose in here, but I'm sure I will find out very soon because I have scissors and a box and tape that is ready to be cut. And this box is pretty good size, but it feels very light. But I was excited to get it because I haven't gotten word about my looks yet. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, I see what I picked. All right. And I'm glad I have my glasses on because this is written for tiny little ants. And we've got some great things in here. I've got the calculator ready to assign the value of this delightful box. And the first thing that is in here, which I am excited, so excited about, I did choose this, I'm pretty sure. And this is a Marc Jacobs Beauty Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I believe, let me see if it's the one that I had used before. And this is in Noir, which means black. Oh no, this is a different one. I have the other mascara right here, the other mascara that Marc Jacobs has. So this is going to be exciting to try this new mascara for me. And this is Velvet Noir Major Volume, and I always need some volume. And it is $27, and it says, experience the ultimate volume and the look of thick false lashes. Hell yeah, I love that. The lash maximizing curvy brush places the most volume at the hard to reach center lash line and the defining, not deafening. Woo! I did say it was late, right? Tip Styles Lashes. This mascara's ultimate concentrated black pigment delivers the greatest impact, and the Flash Volume Complex creates instant smudge-free length and volume in 3 strokes or less. I like a nice stroke. So $27. Awesome. The next thing I know I chose, there was a selection of Lorac palettes, and I chose this one. This box does not want to stay closed. And let's take a look. It's called Unzipped Unfiltered. It's very fancy the way they have it all sealed. I have to be careful. I don't want to tear it up. You know, you get something nice, you don't want to tear it up. Easy for me to say. I'm opening it from the bottom, of course. Backwards. Just a little bit. I'm going to just take the whole box apart. That's how I roll. All right. Here we go. And it is in a cardboard wrapper. And this is a very deluxe feeling package. And it comes with its own brush, and it is a beautiful neutral palette with a little shimmer of pink, and that is lovely. I have plenty of neutral palettes, so this will definitely be going in a future giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway for my birthday where it's all palettes. A box of palettes will be given away for my birthday, which is July 1st, so that is coming up pretty soon. So very cool, and that is a $25 value. Next up is from Wander Beauty. And Wander is in a lot of boxes, but they have some very nice items. And this is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate, which I love overnight concentrates and masks. And I love stuff that works overnight because I just put it on and I peacefully sleep away for about 2 hours and then I wake up. But it's all doing the work the whole time. And this is formulated with 1% retinoid to amp up skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, uneven skin tone and texture, squalene and peptides, all really great stuff. And hydrate the skin and improve elasticity, while dragon's blood, I love stuff with dragon's blood in it, helps soothe skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. And goodness knows, I have some of those. It's sealed. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Ooh, very fancy packaging. This is luxurious, and it's got the great kind of top that you push it down and it gives you the serving size. That's not the right word. I guess it's the serving size, you know, and that looks very cool. I'm not going to open this. I'm not going to start pumping on it yet because I do have some other sleep masks in line before it, but this is really interesting and I look forward to using it, and it is $68. Next up is from Maaplim, M-A-A-P-I-L-I-M, and it is coriander seed and marjoram eye cream. And this is eye cream that contains quinoa extract. I like to joke with my friend Candy Sass that it's quinona, but it's quinoa extract, colloidal oats, and vitamin C, all which works to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. $39. And even though this is a small size, it looks like it's got a good amount in it. It's a little, but it looks pretty full, and you know, you can get a lot out of a little tube like that. Next we have from Lorac. It's a big Lorac box. Not really, but there's a couple Lorac things. And this is a Lorac Alter Ego lip liner, and it's highly pigmented, and it is in a beautiful color called Seductress. Let's open it from the bottom. I don't like to break the seal. And I literally have a basket full of lip liners and lip glosses, but this is beautiful. Look at this color. That is gorgeous. And like I said, I already have like so many lip liners, but that is a beautiful color. And it says that it instantly transforms your lip with these lip liners. They're highly pigmented, smudge proof, and perfect lining or filling in your lips for color that lasts, which is always fantastic. And it prevents color from bleeding and feathering and fading. And it's retractable, which is extra bonus good because I get over. It's got a built-in sharpener, so you don't have to worry about sharpening it to keep the point super fine. And it is $17. All right, and then we're down to the last thing from Floss Beauty, the Concierge Cheek and Lip Tint. And Floss is a brand that I've heard of, but I've never gotten to use any of their products yet. Let's see. This is beautiful. Look at that. That's a gorgeous color. It's a hydrating cheek and lip tint for effortless beauty vibe. Formulated for convenience and ease of use, these weatherproof, no-brain needed tints blend seamlessly into the skin for all-day wear. Apply directly onto cheeks and lips and blend out with your fingertips. $22. That is a beautiful, beautiful color. So for a $35 box, which I forgot to mention at the beginning, but I'll put it in the notes down below, I got $198 worth of stuff, and I'm very excited about it. I'm most excited about the mascara, but the other things are super nice and not bad. Not bad, Boxycharm. Thank you so much, and I want to thank you guys for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.